What's up, kids with technical? I'm back again with another video. Today, as you can see, I have some products from iFace, and I want to say thank you for sending me out your products to test out on my devices. And as you can see, I have this is called first class case. This is for my Galaxy S22 Ultra. They also sent me out their looking clear for the AirPods Pro, and they also sent me out the reflection case for my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I was able to select what colors I wanted, so this is what I chose. First, we're going to do the one for the S22 Ultra. So pretty much this is what the case looks like once you take it out of the packaging. This is the one, this is the first class one. So I got the one that has a white back to it. So you can hear that it is pretty hard. This is just the white glossy back. There is the lanyard loop, and this is what the front looks like. And yes, these are different and unique cases, so hey, I was like, let me give them a try. It feels like it will be good. It feels good. Feels like it'll protect your phone pretty good. So I'm gonna place my phone in like so. Like I said, it's a different shape, but that's different. It looks different, but it's unique at the same time. It's like an oval shape kind of design on the case, but I do like it a lot. I like how it looks, how it feels, and this glossy back. I think this white goes real good with my black S22 Ultra. And as you can see here, you do get a nice deep cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should have nothing to worry about. And you do get a nice amount of lippage around the edges of the phone. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should be good to go as long as you have a screen protector connected. So now we're going to test out the buttons. They are nice, responsive, and very clicky. The volume up and down button is nice and clicky. No problem there. At the bottom here, this is what you're looking like for your cutouts. Easy access for your S Pen. This side, nothing. Overall, this is a nice and feeling case. I am happy that they reached out to me so I could try out some of their products. Like I said, it's a different kind of style, which is nice because a lot of cases are just flat looking, just like a rectangle or a square, but this one is like an oval, and it has a nice feel and a nice grip. You don't have to worry about this case maybe sliding out of your hand. It's good to go. It's grippy. It's grippy even though there is no grip on it. Here it does say iFace. So now we're going to see if it has wireless charging, which it should have wireless charging. And just like that, this case does have wireless charging. So this has been the first class case from iFace for my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, so 13 Pro Max. Pretty much it's the exact same style, exact same look, just with a clear back to show off the color of your device. And I have the white iPhone 13 Pro Max, so this is going to go really good with my device. You just want to place it in like so, just like that. And these cases do have a nice snug fit, a nice fit. They fit on there very well. You don't have to worry about them sliding off. And I can already tell you I like the look and the feel and the design of the reflection case a lot better than I do this case. This case feels a little bit more bulky-ish to me, but that's just me. So maybe I should have gotten this in reflecting. Maybe I'll try to see if I can get this case with the reflection back, because at the time they told me to pick, I did not know that. I thought the reflecting case only came for the iPhone, but they have it for S22 Ultra also. But pretty much this is what this case looks like. It looks nice. Look at, you do get a nice, pretty good, you get the same amount of lip protection around the device, which looks good to me. So when you place your phone down flat on the table, you should be good to go. And when you place your phone flat on the back, you do not have to worry about your cameras getting, you don't have to worry about your cameras touching the table, because you do have a nice lip on the back. It says iFace. The bottom here, you do get all your ports. This has a nice power button. It's clicky. Your volume up and down button. You have a nice access for your alert slider. And now we're going to test out and see, does this have wireless charging? And yes, it does. So this has been the reflecting case from iFace, and this is the classic from the first class from iFace. Now we are going to open up the clear case that I wanted to check out for my AirPods case. Just a clear case that says iFace, nothing too fancy, just something to protect your AirPods Pro when you're out and about, and it just clips just like that. And it also came with a little lanyard, well, not lanyard, a little hook loop, so you can hook this to your to the hook and hang this on your backpack, on your purse, on your pants. And yes, with this case you still have access to wireless charging. And I just want to say thank you, iFace, for sending me out your products to review. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.